features are available for your software. So now, how are we going to test it? I mean, yeah, we can do it manually, but that defeats the purpose of Agile, right? Because your Agile cycle lasts typically 2 to 3 weeks. Doing it manually defeats the whole purpose. So automation is the way to go. And most of the companies are actually adopting automation in the term of BDD to make it faster. Now basically, how can we automate it? If you look at the automation, each of these statements have to be mapped with an automation code at the back end. Now, let me present Mike Cohen's automation pyramid. As the pyramid says, we can do automation at 3 levels. The bottom layer is unit, middle layer is services or API, and the higher layer is GUI. Now, since we are talking about behaviors and features, automation at unit layer is out of question. So either it has to be automated at the API level or it has to be automated at GUI layer. So at API level, what we can do is we can map these statements to a specific API call and then we can track the result. We need not have to go at the front end. In fact, most of the Agile and BDD professionals recommend that in order to make your test more agnostic to application changes, so it's better to do at API level. However, that is not always applicable. Many of the companies do not have a very well-defined API, and testing API again requires a bit of technicality. So what enterprises are trying to do is they map each of these steps with UI automation level. However, having said that, there are challenges with GUI automation. Let's look at those challenges.